Hello, we're learning to play a grade 2 piece called Bending the Rules, and this is our first video. I'm just going to look at 3 bars right at the beginning of this to get us started. So the thing to say is, now we're supposed to be counting minims in this. So this, when you get what looks like common time, it's got the line through it, it's actually what's called 2-2, which means 2 minims. Now, I think the best way to think about this is treat it as 4-4 for now, but it's more to do with once we get the speed up on it, it's going to have a slightly different feel to it because we're going to be counting in minims instead of crotches. So as I say, we're just going to treat this in 4-4 for now. So our first little bit, in the right hand, we've got F, D, C. So 5, that'll be, if you've got 5 on your F, and they're all staccato. And if we look ahead to later in the line, we're going to play the C and the F. We start on F, end on the C. We're going to play them together. So it goes ba-da, 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 ba, at the end. Right, then we need to get a little bit of the left hand in. A flat on your second finger, taking your thumb under. The other thing I meant to say is in the key signature here, we've got no sharps or flats in the key signature, so we've only got to put in what's actually in the music. So A flat, thumb under, like that, and then you're going to go from an F down to a D, 2-4, and then you're going to go down to your little finger, C, D, F, D. Let me show it to you. So some bits are slurred, that's slurred, and that's slurred, that's slurred, and then the last two notes are staccato, with the last one with lots of emphasis on it. Okay, so this is what we had on the right, little finger on F. Now, on the last note, on the D, I'm going to bring that together. Okay, I'll do it again. Really sitting on the end. So, dynamics-wise, mezzo forte, moderately loud. So that's going to be something like, okay, rather than too loud, yeah? And then just really sit on the last one, which will be a bit louder because it's got the accents on. So as I say, that's all we're going to do in this video. I'm just going to show you that a couple more times. So, got the little finger here. Really fiddly, isn't it? So, let's have another little go. And one last one. So make sure you can really do that nice and confidently before we move on to the next section.